our water is not completely dry in our dams. We have been managing in a very progressive way to ensure that we still have water to run in the foreseeable future, hopefully up to the period when the rains come through. But what is happening is just ensuring that during the day, when we have solar, when we have wind and all that, then hydro generation is really generated at the bare minimum.
We agreed with the finance minister of Kenya to sign a memorandum of understanding on how to develop further renewable energy and hydrogen, but also to electrify a lot of the processes that have been run on fossil fuels up to now. If we're going to reach the climate targets, electrification is really the name of the game.